Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys, that's right, how to make a Copycat Sonic garlic butter bacon burger. And these are the ingredients that you're going to need. Okay, I got enough to make about 4 of these. Alright, you're going to need these buns. You can hear my eye go off, that means the stove is warm. Okay, you're going to need about 4 of these, about 4 cheeses, and I got half an onion that's been chopped up. Let me scrape this off. I just wanted to show you it's really a half an onion. You ain't going to need all of that, but if you want a lot of onions on yours, you can do so. I got 1 clove of garlic right here. I have 4 teaspoons of butter right here. Alright? And all we're going to do is take this press right here and we're going to press that right up in there. Okay? Just like this, guys. Nothing hard at all. Take this spoon, scrape that off. And we're just going to mix this up, guys. Let's pick this up. Just going to mix this up in here, guys, just like so. But it'll work real good if you guys have some paste, some garlic paste. You can find that at your store, your local store. All right. And I have some salt, pepper, and garlic. And I only use a 1/4 teaspoon of that, of all 3 of those right there, with some salt in there. And here's my press right here. I'm just going to use this to press out the burgers. And right here I have some mayo. This ain't nothing but Hellmann's mayo. And here's my ground beef. This is ground chuck, actually, 80/20. We're going to use that to go ahead and press up these things. So let me go ahead and move this stuff out the way. Alright, now, I bought this right here. This came exactly from the Dollar Tree, $4. So it's nothing that you can't go get yourself. So you just want to take you some of this ground chuck like this. You roll it up. Put it right there in the middle like so. And just press down on it. If I can press down a little bit more with my hand. Okay. That's all we doing, guys, okay? Alright. So, that's 1 down. And we just go ahead and do the rest, and I'll show you what we'll be doing over there. See you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. Here's my bacon right here. And all what I'm gonna do with these, you can cook it on the grill. Like I'm not cooking mine on the grill. I'm gonna put mine in the oven because I don't want a whole bunch of grease on that grill like that. Okay, so I got mine at 400 degrees, and we're just going and cook this to brown up nice and evenly. All right, see you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. We'll go ahead and put these burgers on here. Let's go ahead and put these on here. Like so. Take your pinch of that seasoning, fold it up like this. But this is what I like to do, because if you notice I didn't season the other side, so I'm just going to come up under here and go ahead and flip that. Just like so, guys. Alright, season this side up. Alright, there you go. Alright guys, when we flip this, I'll show you what we'll be doing next. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, when you see it start sweating like that, that means you want to flip it, just like so. You're just going to let it cook like this. Put a little garlic butter on there. That won't fall off. Just put it right back up on there. I'll let that infuse in this meat. And I'll tell you what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay guys, now you see that I'm shrunk up a little bit. We're going to come in here with some cheese. 2 good cheese and 2 not good cheese. It's just American cheese. Like that. And you go ahead and take those off. Put those on the plate. Like that. Alright. Alright guys, just gonna put a little butter on here. Just want to put my onion. This is the garlic butter, by the way. Like so. Just going to add a lot of flavor to your buns. Trust or believe. You just spread them about. You just pretty much sauteing these up. Alright guys, about done with this, about another minute. Then I'm going to take these off. And then we're going to come and put our buns on here. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. We're just going to go ahead and put our buns on here. They don't take long at all to do. Just toasting them up. That's it. Alright, so you don't really need to see that. Just make sure they get brown or get toasted. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. We're just going to come in here with some mayo. Like so. I'm just showing you these. Alright, the cheese go at the bottom right here. You take this cheese, you can put that on there like that. One on there like that. Take you some bacon. Like that. Like so. We're going to take our grilled onions. Just going to put some grilled onions on here. Don't worry about all that other stuff that's falling off, because we're going to show you a different display. Then you put the bread on, the top part, just like that. Sonic Copycat, garlic, butter, bacon, burger. Alright, I'm going to show you guys how this look without all this extra mess over here. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, like I told you, I am done. Finally. I know you've seen a hot mess, but you know this is my thumbnail, so you gotta look at the thumbnail, right? I'm just making jokes. Anyway, I'm finally done with this Copycat Sonic garlic butter bacon cheeseburger. Alright, this is how they look up close. These the one that don't have the cheese. They got everything besides the cheese on it. And these are your Sonic garlic butter bacon cheeseburgers right there. So have your bite right there. Alright guys. Okay guys. If you like this video, please give me a like and a share. And please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit this bell right over here. Right there. Just like that. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching. God bless you, and you have a nice day. Much love.